Vetrox, the unique new patented system and process to gently remove all damages to glass surfaces from already installed panes, right on site. Mechanical damage such as scratches are caused by transportation and installation work, workmen or cleaners. Frequently encountered chemical damage are corrosion caused by cement, hydrofluoric acid used in vandal attacks, and general environmental impact. Following maintenance with the Vetrox system, the glass is returned to its original brilliance and transparency, as if nothing had happened. The glass surface is restored. Nothing obstructs the view outside, and you can clearly see the difference. Before, after. Implementation of the Vetrox system knows no boundaries.